This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Lisa Murdoch. Well-maintained one-story brick and home. Spacious rooms, 2 large bedrooms, 2 full baths, beautiful den addition with gas fireplace, skylights and craftsman details. Rich, warm woodwork welcomes you and your guests to relax. Updated kitchen with rounded counter perfect for bar stools and a pass-through for easy entertaining. Huge walk-up attic for additional storage. Laundry room includes washer and dryer. Sparkling wood floors and window treatments throughout. Tranquil Japanese inspired garden in back of home, lots of shade and 3-sided, wraparound deck. Plenty of room for friends and family, and a freestanding hammock would be right at home here. Quiet, tree-lined street 1/2 block from Colley Avenue and the Naro Theater. Visit great local restaurants, and downtown is within a short commute. Lawn maintenance may be included at additional rent.